Shalom and welcome to 2 Minutes of Torah. This year is entitled The Order of Wrapping the Blue Tzitzit. So we learned in the previous year that the Gemara says that we have a chulya. Chulya consists of three times you wrap around. And then it says you should have between 7 and 13. Rashi takes that to mean 7 and 13 chuliot. So if each wraparound is 3, and you have to say you have 13 of those, you're going to have 13 times 3, 13, 3, they got 39 times it's going around. So when it says 7, 8, 11, 13, 7, 11, 13, it wraps around 7 times, 11 times, 13. This is saying no, we have 13 series of wraparounds. And now it says that we have 4 series of wraparounds. So it's very, very different. So therefore you're going to see some of the Techelet where there's 13 chuliot. Of course, that's like Rashi, who says that you have a chulya is 3, and the Gemara says have between 7 and 13. So many have the maximum of 13. Now what about the order? The white, the blue, the white, blue, how does that work? So the Gemara says we start off with white, because it says hakanaf p'tir Techelet. Hakanaf, you want to have the string that's similar to the color of the garment first. Normally garments are white. So you have a white string right near the garment. And then it says, then you have blue. And then the Gemara says, you finish off with white because ma'alin b'kedusha ve'in moridin. Why is white considered to be more kadosh than blue? So the commentaries say, because since the Torah mentions the white one first, the Torah gives it priority, and therefore we relate to it more kedusha, and malim kedusha means you finish with white, which means you start off with a white wrap around, you have blue, and then you want to finish off with white. But the question is, what's in between? White is the first wraparound, then you can have a few dozen wraparounds in between. You can have a series of 13 chuliot, each one of 3 wraparounds. And then you have the last one. So good, the last one at the very end is going to be white. But what blue is in the middle? Do you go ahead and have white, blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, blue, and then you finish off with white? Do you have a series of white chuliot, then a series of blue chuliot, then a series of white chuliot, and then you finish off? What exactly is going on? Do you have white string, then all blue, and then you have white? So the Gemara is vague. It just says start with white, then you have blue, and then you finish off with white. So now we can understand. With the cryptic statement of 6 to 13, Rashi takes it to mean 7 to 13 is referring to the chulio, not how many times you wrap around. And we're going to learn that others will learn no. First, how many times you wrap around. You have that variable. Then you have a variable of the order, white, then blue, then white, but what exactly is going on in the middle? Then another variable is how many strings are there blue? 1, 2, or 4. We start putting this all together, we see that a lot of possibilities emerge. Mitzvah Hashem, as we develop next few shiurim, we'll get clarity, understanding all the different shitot. Mitzvah Hashem, shalom.